Hi everyone, my name is Johnny. Today I'm going to share about my architecture deployable structure.
This is my presentation board from Issue, and my my idea. So all about my design. My idea is inspired by the location from my case study, which is KLCC Park. So what's so special about KLCC Park is that KLCC Park is very near or just beside the one of the most famous building in the world, which is Twins Tower. So so when people enter the park, so the first thing catch that catches their eye is the building, the Twins Tower. So the building is tall and very unique. The shape is very unique. So in design principle, we call this hierarchy. So when we enter the park, the first impression, the feelings that comes to me is relaxed, or sometimes it is enthusiastic because you get to exercise or jogging and some activities. So in the park, there's many activities going on here and there. So in such as jogging, like I said, jogging, maybe picnic, uh, playgrounds for the children, and in KLCC Park they also got a water park there. So a lot of activities can do there. So one of the my favorite activities is kite flying. Kite flying is one of the most interesting activities in the park. I learned how to play it since I was at a very young age. So since I like the kite, so I use the kite to to put in my concept design as my inspiration. So let's look at this, my presentation board. As you can see, this is a KLC park. This is a building, and this one is my design, and then I will explain about it. So the top view of the KLCC park is like the star shape, and then I use this idea. I join the outline of the like the corners around the stars to form an octagon. So I use octagon into my design, one of my design, and then like I said, KLCC Park is the shape is unique and the shape is balanced. So you can see the line, dotted line. It represent balance. Then hierarchy, yeah, the building is tall and then the other building is short. It's more this hierarchy. This kite, yeah, the most interesting activities in the park, I think. So I use kite into my design, and then I name my structure, my design structure, double K. Why is it double K? Because I use a shape. I use two shapes into my design, which is also start with the K alphabet. So one is KLCC, top view, and then one is kite. So I name it double K. So so case study. So there's um, our aim is to build to create a verbal structure and can be assemble one. So my target is to build 50-50. The upper part is can be fully deployable, and the lower part is we fix. So so my design will be like a tree house, and then this is a site analysis. So this is an actual site plan from Google Map. So we know how to we can know where to start from. So I took one of the field very near to the shopping mall, so I can do case study. So my idea is a like a tree house. So I put very near to the tree. So my structure is a bit need balance because there's a balance in my design principle. So I tie it to the tree, lean on the tree, lean against on the tree, so it becomes balanced. So it's very firm. So this is my design. The next page. This is my structure design, and this is a top part. This is a full one. The whole structure. The top part can be assembled fully. So you can stand here and then look at a better view of the park. You also can sit there and reading. This is the base one, the base of level 1. And then there's a net here. So how to get in the net? So there's an entrance here. So you can enter from here, and then you come to here, and then you come inside the building, and then you got a net here, and then you can climb up to the level 1. This is how you go to level 1. So this is a floor plan. This is a ground plan. So ground plan is 1 meter from the ground. So floor plan for this one is level 1. So level 1 meter from here. So just now you climb out the net, right? So you can access to here. So there's a floor here, you can stand, you can sit, and then you can come to here is a net. Net allows you to lie down and take a nap, or you can sit there and chill, reading. Yeah. So this building, like I say, is tight, lean against on the tree. So there's a roof tight here, and then this is a main beam, like foundation, the main foundation of the structure. So is going deep to the soil, to the ground. Is very firm. So here's a anthropometry study of people on the ground and people in the building sitting there. And here's the mechanism. Here's a shape, outer shape of the building. And then when we open the canvas, and then you can see this is one of the two. This is one of the pairs open mechanism. So for example, this is a front one, this is the longest one, and then open like this one, we come step by step back to the backward. I have the video in the end of my presentation. I will show you. And then this is how we open, and then this is the top part of the mechanism, open and close. And then this anthropometry, the material I use wood, I use net, group net for us to allow to access to the level 1 canvas, waterproof canvas, bamboo for the base, level 1 base, and iron bar. We need a strong iron bar to support the whole structure.
I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.